Today I'm gonna show you how to use a powerful tool called Dissolve in QGIS free. And it's a powerful tool as you can merge feature based on geometry adjacency, and also you can use attributes to do that. Let's take a look to this powerful Dissolve tool. We have our QGIS opened, and I loaded a shapefile with the whole Italy actually divided by the province. So maybe we want to get all the contour of the whole country, and we can do it really in a fast way using the Dissolve tool, which is under the vector menu, geoprocessing tools, and Dissolve. But let me explain how it actually works. I have a feature here, a picture here, and it actually, the Dissolve tool make disappear the contour of adjacent features, like in the picture number 1. So if you have two geometries like this, you will get a single geometry which does not contain the internal borders. But also if you have holes in the contour, holes are materialized into the feature. If the feature are not contiguous, so they does not touch to each other, you actually get a multi-polygon, and it may be useful in some case. But this is only the geometry part. Let's take a look to our data. As you can see, we have multiple columns here, and if you pay attention, you may see we have a code reg here, the second column, which is actually repeated multiple times. As we can, let me move a bit this, okay, and let's take it back. As you can see, if we move on the feature table, we can actually see what gets highlighted. And if we select all of this, we may see that we are selecting more than the single feature. We are selecting a whole region. Let me order by that. And this is actually the Piemonte region. So this is the Valle d'Aosta region. So we may leverage, this is the Lombardia, may leverage this to get the actual regions out of this. But let's start with an easy choice without any kind of attribute selected. So let's do vector, geoprocessing tools, Dissolve, select our layer. We don't select any other option and click run. Okay, let's wait a bit. Oh, this is the whole contour of Italy, which is really nice, but maybe limiting our needs. So I move this down, and we may work again with the Dissolve tool. And now we are going to set something for the Dissolve fields. Let's click this button and click code reg for the as aggregation field. Just remember to click OK, otherwise the tool won't get it. Okay, we have the ability to keep disjoint features separate, so it actually does not create multi-polygons, but for our case it's okay to leave it unchecked. Click run and click close. As you may see, you actually get the region, and it's a really powerful tool. As you can see, it actually aggregates everything like we wanted. So this is the Dissolve tool. It's a powerful tool. It has a few limitations due to the polygon validity, and it's not just a limitation of the tool itself. It's almost all tools needs valid geometries to work well. So you need to have a validity check, and all the checks must be passed. I'll show you in the next video how to check validity for a polygon and what is actually validity. So thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe to never miss an update. Goodbye.